now preparing the alibo. That's cassava completely.
See the method of this one.
Okay.
I did not mix it with cold one.
Yes.
I did not turn it, add small hot water there. I pour it direct there. Then it will now start boiling. As it's boiling, for it to remain fine, it will boil like that.
Not when they are, because I know the pattern I know is that they are putting it and they are turning it, turning it. You know, then it becomes thick, just like pap.
Like with this pattern, if you put it like that as it's boiling, even if I did not cook it, boil it with hot water again,
Yes.
I can keep it till the next day. So I said, due to her, the technique parts you have really studied.
Yes.
Maybe when preparing, you discover that I prepared it yesterday, it was like this. You add more knowledge to see, to extend knowledge to see if you can gain it right. And so that you can preserve it. It's not to waste. When hard time, it's not to have what you have and begin to waste it.
Yes.
So
what you're doing is to be able to preserve it.
Yes, to preserve it.
In case it's not finished.
Yes, it's not finished.
Will you also wait for the water to dry out?
No.
Unlike the other, okay, just like in the other one, no.
Yes. This one is not to dry out water. I will soon start mixing it. I want to get the quantity of fire, the level of the heat I want. It's from the heat I have for this one that will give me what I want.
And you need enough heat.
Yes, for this one.
So that it won't form balls. That's it. So that, as you can see, it's getting thick. It's getting thick. And the pot is shaking. The pot is fighting back. I see that the pot is fighting back.
Bring it down.
Any reason why it's turning brown?
The reason why it's turning brown is because it's the formula of preparing from the beginning.
Yes. Because I know that some alibo, when you prepare it, it still ends up white.
No. Real cassava alibo.
Yeah.
The only last pattern is like this.
Okay.
When it's like this, you know that remove that this thing so that you can bring out the. The reason why it's like this is that most of the cassava that they use in preparing this one was not soaked like apple.
Okay.
It was dried direct from gari or dry cassava itself. Then the one they use and soaked like apple, the face of this thing is black. It will be like this.
Okay. Black.
Yes. So that is the reason. You see that this one is draw. Yes, dear. Thank you, Mom. How is it today?
I'm happy.
How is the weekend?
I did do that thing, sir.
Are they good?
I'm a lassie.
Yes. Okay, thank you. This one is pure cassava. Not mixed with anything.
Pure cassava, not mixed with anything.
Yes.
That's it. So this is it. And the ball
It's
done.
finished.
The ball done. And you say,
You see, I did not return this one on the fire because
Yes.
I boiled it with powder direct.
okay,
Yes.
that's another pattern. You can't prepare millet and glucon like this. It won't work.
It won't work. You can't preserve it.
Okay.
You go wash am. I no go even gree me wash am. Why cause no pikin come wash am? Because your tell me say come and come wash.
So this one goes with black soup.
Yes.
But you anybody so
You can use it with
okay, for anyone. Just like the other one too.
Depend on the soup that can help you to swallow it.
Okay.
But most our people use draw soup, black soup.
For
this
cassava lollipop.
Please, can you bring Should I bring glass and scoop and serve you there?
I want to eat it in this environment. Yes.
Environment. Okay.
That one I'm going to use to do this thing. The other one, I fit. Okay, just let me just
You bring a bowl plate now.
so that they keep this soup, keep this the other soup, just small plates. Then keep this one and keep this one.
Okay.
Then I'll just do just the small ones. What will take you?